I want to make this a shelf in my new workshop, something like this. So let's 3D print the shelf holders. But first, let's take the measurements. It is around 15 centimeters, but we can do around 13 in total. There is no need for more. I'm gonna print 4 of these in the size of the 130. They're getting done. And we are ready now to place the shelf. It's gonna be something like this. This side is not really straight, but this one should be, or at least the wall is not straight, but it's gonna be fine. And you place it like this. It is a bit longer than what I wanted. I can fix that later, but this is basically it. I just need to put some stuff there, and these are super cheap holders. You don't need a lot of plastic, and voila, this is some initial setup, nothing special. It really gives another level to my workshop. It is a beginner, but every step is a step closer to the goal. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe.